Mga pare ko, alam nyo ba kung gaano kaangas ang Bosch? Perfect ito at bagay sa'yo. Kaya samahan nyo ako para makilala nyo ang mga power tools kong ito. At alam nyo ba na sa dinami-dami ng mga trusted Bosch Power Tools kong ito ay may isang namumukod tangi na nagbibigay angas sa akin sa tuwing ginagamit ko. Ito ay walang iba kundi ang Bosch GSB 185 Li Impact Drill Driver. Yes, you heard it right mga pare ko. Among all my power tools, the Bosch GSB 185 Li Impact Drill Driver stands out as one of my absolute favorites. It's lightweight, compact, and packs serious power, making every job feel effortless and precise. Whether it's drilling or driving, this tool delivers the angas, that confidence and edge that only Bosch can provide. And every time I use it, I feel unstoppable. The Bosch GSB 185 Li doesn't just get the job done, it makes me feel like a pro while doing it. Precision, power, and performance. This is the Bosch GTS 10XC table saw in action. It's not just a tool, it's a game changer for every cut, every project. Built for pros, trusted by makers. Mga pare ko, what if I tell you that with the Bosch GCM 12 GDL Miter Saw, you won't just have angas, but it also brings a touch of kagwapuhan. Kaya kung angas at kagwapuhan ang habol mo, this one's for you, pare ko. Lightweight, powerful, and precise. The Bosch GSB 185 Li Impact Drill Driver makes every task effortless. It's the perfect blend of performance and angas in one tool. Compact yet powerful. The Bosch GDR 18V to 20C Impact Driver delivers precision and strength for every screw and bolt. Performance you can count on every time. Smooth, precise, and effortless. The Bosch GEX 185 Li Random Orbit Sander turns rough surfaces into flawless finishes. Performance you can feel in every detail. O ano, handa na ba ang angas nyo para sa Bosch?
Ako pa, ikaw.
Bosch ako eh. Nangasar ka ba pre? Baka gusto mo to? Hindi, huwag na mainit ang ulo dahil exciting talaga ang mga Bosch tools na ito. Siguradong angas ang performance. Kaya mga pare ko, samantalahin nyo na, mag-add to cart na sa mga paborito ninyong Bosch dealer o seller sa Lazada o Shopee.